Hello students, welcome to Quest for Learning. Today I am here with the second part of the chapter on the face of it, written by Susan Hill from class 12th English Vistas. Daddy, we are not the same, Mr. Lamb. I am old, you are young. You have got a burned face, I have got a thin leg. Not important. You are standing there, I am standing here. Where is the difference, Daddy? Why have you got a thin leg? Mr. Lamb, real one got blown off years back, Lammy Lamb. Some kids say, haven't you heard them? You will. Lammy Lamb, it fits. Doesn't trouble me. Daddy, but you can put on trousers and cover it up and no one sees. They don't have to notice and stare, Mr. Lamb. Some do, some don't. They get tired of it in the end. There is plenty of other things to stare at. Daddy doesn't agree to Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb tells him that there is no difference. He is young and Mr. Lamb is old. He has a burned face and Mr. Lamb has a thin leg. These things are not so important. They don't make any difference. Daddy asks him the reason behind his thin leg. He replies that it has got damaged in an explosion many years ago. Kids tease him by calling him Lammy Lamb, but it doesn't bother him. Daddy says that he can cover the thin leg with his trousers so that no one can see it. Mr. Lamb says that people get tired of staring at him. There are plenty of other things to look at, such as flowers, weeds, herbs and sunflowers. Daddy कहता है कि वे एक जैसे नहीं हैं, परंतु लैम बताता है कि अंतर बस इतना है कि वह बूढ़ा है, डैरी जवान है, डैरी का चेहरा जला हुआ है और लैम की जो टांग है टीन की है। इन सब का कोई महत्व नहीं है। डैरी कारण पूछता है कि लैम की एक टांग टीन की क्यों है। लैम बताता है कि असली टांग विस्फोट से उठ गई थी कई वर्ष पहले। बच्चे उसे चिढ़ाते हैं, लैमी लैम कह के पुकारते हैं, पर लैम को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। लैम कहता है कि लोग मेरे चेहरे को देख देख के थक चुके हैं, अब उनके पास बहुत सी दूसरी चीजें देखने के लिए हैं, जैसे फूल है, बीड्स हैं, हर्ब्स हैं एंड sunflowers. Daddy, like my face, Mr. Lamb, like crab apples or the beads or a spider climbing up a silken ladder or my tall sunflowers. Daddy thinks, Mr. Lamb, it's all relative, Beauty and the Beast. Daddy, what is that supposed to mean? Mr. Lamb, you tell me. Daddy, you need not think they haven't all told me that fairy story before. It is not what you look like. It is what you are inside. Handsome is as handsome does. When Mr. Lamb says that there are also other things to stare at, Daddy shows his face in reply to Lamb's statement. Lamb suggests that crab apples, beads, spiders, and the tall sunflowers are some of the other things that people would like to discuss. Daddy says that the other things Lamb mentions are non-living. Lamb replies that all the things are related to each other, just like beauty is related to the beast. They're all interconnected. Daddy gets confused. Mr. Lamb asks for Daddy's opinion. Daddy replies that he has heard people saying that beauty is not related to one's appearance, rather, inner beauty is our real beauty. Even a handsome man is the one who does something good, rather than one who looks good. लैम कहता है कि उसके अलावा नेचर की बहुत सी सुंदर चीजें हैं देखने और डिस्कस करने के लिए। सभी एक दूसरे से जुड़ी हुई हैं, जैसे सुंदरता कुरूपता के साथ। डैरी यह सुनकर परेशान हो जाता है। लैम डैरी के विचार जानना चाहता है। डैरी कहता है कि उसने सुना है कि लोगों को यह कहते हुए सुंदरता का चेहरे से कोई भी लेना देना नहीं है, कोई संबंध, कोई रिलेशन नहीं है। सुंदरता तो अंदर से होनी चाहिए। Beauty loved the monstrous beast for himself, and when she kissed him, he changed into a handsome prince. Only he wouldn't. He would have stayed a monstrous beast. I won't change, Mr. Lamb. In that way, no, you won't, Daddy, and no one will kiss me. ever, only my mother, and she kisses me on the other side of my face, and I don't like my mother to kiss me. She does it because she has to. Why should I like that? I don't care if nobody ever kisses me, Miss Lamb. Oh, but do you care if you never kiss them, Daddy? What? Miss Lamb, girls, pretty girls, long hair and large eyes, people you love, Daddy. Who would let me? Not one, Mr. Lamb. Who can tell, Daddy? I won't ever look different. When I am as old as you, I will look the same. I will still only have half a face. Daddy explains that beauty means inside beauty, not outward beauty. He narrates the story about a beautiful woman who falls in love with the beast, and when she kisses him, he changes into a handsome prince. He says that he may change into a handsome prince, but that is not the case with Daddy. He will remain the same. Lamb says that he will not change in that way. And he is right at that. Daddy replies that nobody liked to kiss him because of his burned face. He thinks that people hate him due to his burned face. Only his mother kisses him. She kisses him on the other side of face where there is no burned mark. Daddy doesn't like this. She kisses him just because she is his mother. Miss Lamb asks him that does Daddy ever want to kiss someone? Daddy asks him what he was talking about. Mr. Lamb says that Daddy wants to kiss pretty girls with long hair and large eyes or other people whom Daddy loves. Daddy replies that no one would allow him to do so. Lamb says that this is unpredictable. Daddy says that he will never look different when he will be as old as Lamb. Then also he will have only half a face. डैडी बताता है कि सुंदरता अंदर से होनी चाहिए, बाहरी सुंदरता का कोई महत्व नहीं है। वे यह भी कहता है कि कोई भी चीज उसके जले हुए चेहरे को बदल नहीं सकती है। डैडी कहता है कि मेरी मदर मुझे इसलिए प्यार करती है क्योंकि वे मेरी मदर है। लैम पूछता है क्या वे किसी से प्यार करना चाहता है। डैडी समझ नहीं पाता लैम के कहने का भाव। लैम कहता है कि वह किसी सुंदर लड़की से प्यार करना चाहेगा। वह कहता है कि उसे ऐसा करने की अनुमति कोई नहीं देगा। वह जब बूढ़ा हो जाएगा तब भी ऐसा ही रहेगा, आधे जले हुए चेहरे के साथ। Mr. Lamb, so you will, but the world won't. The world has got a whole face and the world is there to be looked at. Daddy, do you think this is the world, this old garden? Mr. Lamb, when I am here, not the only one, but the world, as much as anywhere. Daddy, does your leg hurt you, Mr. Lamb? Tin doesn't hurt, boy. Daddy, when it came off, did it? Mr. Lamb, certainly. Daddy, and now, I mean, where the tin stops at the top, Mr. Lamb. Now and then, in wet weather, it doesn't signify. Daddy, oh, that is something else. They all say, look at all those people who are in pain and brave and never cry and never complain and don't feel sorry for themselves. Mr. Lamb, I haven't said it, Daddy, and think of all those people worse off than you. Think you might have been blinded or born deaf or have to live in a wheelchair or be daft in your head and dribble. Mr. Lamb inspires Daddy to look at the brighter side of the world, to live a happy life. Lamb says that due to his half a face, Daddy should not live a life of isolation and sadness. There are so many things in the world to look at. Daddy must look at them and enjoy the life to the fullest. Daddy questions Lamb that is the garden the whole world for him. Lamb says that when he is in the garden, then the garden is his whole world. He then questions him whether his leg hurt him. Lamb replies that tin doesn't hurt, it never pains. Daddy asks him if he suffers pain when he loses his leg. Lamb says it pains back then. He then asks, does it pain now? Lamb replies that sometimes he gets pain in leg, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, or it is not that important. Daddy says that he can understand what he meant by all this, as he had heard people saying that you should take a lesson from those who suffer in pain and never cry or complain about their problems. Mr. Lamb says that he has never said so. He continues that people tell him to look at those people who are in worse conditions than him. They tell him that he may have become blind, deaf, or handicapped. He may even have been born with mental disorder. लैम्ब डेरी को जीवन के प्रति सकारात्मक दृष्टिकोण अपनाने के लिए कहता है। डेरी का चेहरा तो आधा जला हुआ ही रहेगा, परंतु संसार सुंदर चीजों से भरा है और उसके सामने है, और उसका भरपूर आनंद डेरी को लेना चाहिए। अगर वह अंधा, बहरा या अपाहिज पैदा होता तो क्या होता? उसने लोगों को कहते हुए सुना कि हमें उन लोगों से सीखना चाहिए, उनसे सीख लेनी चाहिए जो दुख तकलीफ होने के बावजूद भी कभी शिकायत नहीं करते। हमें जीवन के प्रति पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड रखना चाहिए। Mr. Lamb, and that's all true, and you know it, Daddy. It won't make my face change. Do you know? One day a woman went by me in the street. I was at a bus stop, and she was with another woman, and she looked at me, and she said, whispered, only I heard her. She said, look at that. That's a terrible thing. That's a face only a mother could love, Mr. Lamb. So you believe everything you hear, then, Daddy. It was cruel, Mr. Lamb. Maybe not meant as such, just something said between them, Daddy. Only I heard it, I heard. Mr. Lamb, and is that the only thing you ever heard anyone say in your life, Daddy? Oh no, I have heard a lot of things, Mr. Lamb. So now you keep your ears shut, Daddy. You are peculiar. You say peculiar things. You ask questions I don't understand. Lamb agrees with Daddy. Daddy says that all this will not make his face change. Once he heard a woman telling another woman that only mother can love such a terrible face and no one else can. Lamb advises Daddy to ignore such negative things from his mind. He suggests him to shut his ears. Daddy fails to understand what Lamb means to say. Lamb Daddy की बात से सहमत है, परंतु डैरी को समझाता है कि जीवन जीने के लिए जरूरी है कि जितनी भी नेगेटिव थॉट्स हैं दिमाग से निकाले जाएं। जीवन जीने का यही सबसे अच्छा तरीका है। मिस्टर लैम, I like to talk, have company. You don't have to answer questions. You don't have to stop here at all. The gate is open. Daddy, yes, but Mr. Lamb, I have a hive of bees behind those trees over there. Some hear bees and they say bees buzz, but when you listen to the bees for a long while, they hum, and hum means sing. I hear them singing, my bees. Daddy, but I like it here. I came in because I liked when I looked over the wall. Mr. Lamb, if you had seen me, you would not have come in. Daddy, no. Lamb, no. Daddy, it would have been trespassing. Mr. Lamb, oh, that's not why. Daddy, I don't like being near people when they stare. When I see them being afraid of me, Mr. Lamb, you could lock yourself up in a room and never leave it. There was a man who did that. Lamb says that he likes the company of others and likes to talk. He tells Daddy not to answer his question, and as the gate is open, he may go if he wants to. Daddy doesn't leave. Lamb tells Daddy, there is a beehive in one of the trees. People consider the buzzing sound of the bees to be noise, but for him, it is a song sung by the bees. According to Lamb, attitude matters, how you are taking the things. Lamb questions Daddy that would he have entered had he seen him, to which Daddy replied in the negative. He says that he doesn't want people to scare of him. That is why he doesn't like going near them. लैम बताता है कि वह लोगों के साथ उठना बैठना बातचीत करना पसंद करता है। वह डैरी को समझाता है कि वह जा सकता है, उसके गार्डन के गेट खुले हैं, डैरी नहीं जाता है। डैरी बताता है कि लोग उससे डरते हैं, इसलिए वह उनके करीब नहीं जाना चाहता है। लैम डैरी से कहता है कि वह अपने आप को हमेशा के लिए कमरे में बंद कर ले। Here I conclude the second part of the play On the Face of It. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye.